Our world has different types of animals. Some animals are big and some are small. Some animals live on land, some in water, and some spend most of their time in the air. Some animals spend time in water as well as land. Click on any of the animals to know more about their types. Animals like tigers, bears, cheetahs, and snails live on land. They are called land animals. Click on each picture to know more about land animals. Land animals have bodies that help them to live on land. Most land animals have legs which help them to move around. Most land animals also have hair or fur to keep them warm in winter. Some land animals move very slowly. Some land animals can move very fast. Some animals spend time on land as well as in water. Frogs, crocodiles, and turtles are such animals. Click the back button. Animals like fish, octopuses, eels, and dolphins live in water. They are called water animals. Water animals have bodies that help them to live in water. Click on any of the labels to know more about water animals. Many water animals have fins to help them swim. Many water animals have gills to help them breathe underwater. Some water animals, like dolphins and whales, do not have gills. They have to put their heads above the water surface to breathe.